Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your iPad model and iOS version and verify the USB device works with iPad OS. Once done, attach the correct adapter, USB-C or Lightning to USB camera adapter, so the physical connection is stable. Make sure the iPad battery is above 20% and the screen is unlocked. This prevents connection drops. You do not need extra apps for many accessories, but some devices require vendor apps. You plug the USB device into the adapter first, then connect the adapter to your iPad for a clean handshake. Next, open the appropriate app, files for drives, photos for cameras, or the device's own app for instruments, so the OS mounts the device. If a permission pop-up appears, grant access. This step authorizes data transfer and power negotiation. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the iPad to recognize the accessory, and if it doesn't, try reconnecting slowly. You now perform transfers or use the accessories functions, monitor progress bars, and avoid interrupting during writes. Once done, safely eject the device in files or the relevant app, then unplug the adapter to prevent corruption. If the iPad won't recognize the USB item, first try a different cable or adapter, then reboot the iPad. These steps resolve most power or driver handshake issues. If problems persist, check the accessory's power needs. Use a powered hub for high-draw devices to avoid underpowering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.